Oh, yes, you will. Tangka bukas, Valentine, dyan ko sa bahay ninyo. Yeah, punta ka dito. We celebrate our Valentine's Day. Wala kang ka-date, Crystal? Wala kang ka-date? Wala kang boyfriend? We have our how we call that? Renewal. Yeah, renewal of vow in the church tomorrow. It is a renewal of our vow, of our marriage tomorrow in the church. Happy Valentine's Day in the early, sir. Hope you and the Mrs. have a wonderful day. Yeah, thank you so much, ma'am. Happy Valentine's Day also tomorrow. Hanap mo ako, basta wag lang parang lamok. Wag parang lamok, kagat ng kagat. And then join me. Look for me, just don't be like a mosquito. Bakit? Why? Bakit, Crystal? Anong ayaw mo sa lamok? Kagat ng kagat? Sip-sip ng sip-sip? Lady in red, join me as first siksayog. Papa Johnny, hello. Idol, present ka ngayon maaga. Good evening, Idol. Yeah, good evening. Mika Love, shout out. Kanina umaga nakita rito, naka-live ka. Tamsak, Idol. Salamat, Idol, sa patamsak. Yeah. Ikaw ang nagsabi noon. Anong ibig mo sabihin sa lamok? Anong ibig sabihin mo sa lamok? Wala na bang ibang karakteristik ang lamok? Lamok is always biting. Taranana. Yan yung nakapagtapos, tanongin mo kung may girlfriend. Yes. Ikaw, may boyfriend ka. Maghanap ka ng boyfriend. Wanted. Crystal is looking for a boyfriend for tomorrow. All advance happy Valentine's Day. White friends. Wow. As per Papa Johnny. Kung sino tong walang mga date tomorrow, magpasa na ng resume. Right now. Para mabigyan ko po kayo ng kadate bukas. Papa Johnny, love. Thank you, Idol Johnny. Papa Johnny, may kadate to bukas. Sige na. Yes. Wanted, Crystal. Boyfriend. Qualification. Anybody, but not like mosquito. Paano, Crystal, kung linta? The beach. Anong English na linta? Beach? Which beach? Go ahead. Ayan.